Hi, Penny. I started to type this out. I thought I'd talk a little bit again about this. Oh, sorry, I'm getting so tired. Snap pearls. All right, this is the company. Um, assist in finishing the Snap Pearls project. Boy, let's get some more free work. Anyway, it's a huge database of medical articles and stuff. And like I said, they want you to buy a subscription to get all this stuff. And you get to see it for free. And they have little quizzes and whatnot. I'm going to send you a video that I made for them that sort of shows that process. You can see from their website, it's just nothing. It's stock art and text, and they don't have a designer. They have a programmer working with a template. It's just not cohesive. When you sort of scroll through, it breaks apart. You don't know what you're looking at. Anyway, so he told me they have a basic thing for the booth, and then they wanted this and that. Maybe a cutout, maybe a banner on the sides, maybe a placard. They seem to be pretty confused about what they could get. And he did say over and over again, it's got to be something really amazing. It's got to have a real wow factor. So I think that's why the video idea is really great, and that may work for them. Plus, they could just carry like I don't know if they make display screens that you can roll up, or I don't know, but I'll figure it out. So whatever ideas you have, could you please sketch them out? And then I'll take those along with mine and do some sort of rough sketch presentation. So does that make sense? So imagine the cheapest looking booth display. Hey, cheap. And then what could we put to the left and right sides of it? See, that doesn't even look cheap to me. I think that looks good. But maybe that's easy to bring with you places. So this is what they were talking about, this retractable banner thing. I think they think they can just put in a little suitcase and roll around with them. So me or you, I'll definitely do some sketches of that. As far as sketches of what the logo means a lot to them, it's just that book with the pearl on it. I bet they bought one of these blankets. But I will find out tomorrow exactly what it is they bought. But they, whatever the stand part is their cheap part, and they want to wow people, whatever the left and right thing is. So I hope that's clear enough for you. I'm a little vague on what they want myself. I thought because I really wasn't clear what they wanted, just a bunch of sketches at first, and then some information to different printers and prices. I could present them with that, and then they could narrow down exactly what they want. So whatever you could do, I would truly appreciate. And again, keep track of your hours. Let me know, and maybe we'll both get a nice big job out of this. All right, thanks for your help. Bye.